we're going to replace my battery on my beloved 291 white 10-key calculator. Take a tiny Phillips head and remove these 4 screws on the bottom. Once all 4 screws are loosened, just lift the back off. And we're going to replace it with the LR1130 battery. So taking a little flat tip, there's a little opening on this side on the left. I'm going to gently just push the battery out. And make sure you don't scratch the circuit board. There. And we just slide our new battery in from the left, print side up. Make sure it gets snapped all the way in. And now simply put your back on and tighten the 4 screws. When putting it back together, you have to make sure the rim snaps in properly. Make sure there's no gaps, and then tighten the screws. It's all screwed back together, and now the calculator will work even if there's insufficient light. I hope this is helpful.